What's good, YouTube? It's your boy 773 Josh, and we are back with another video. And in today's video, I want to show you guys how to take a trade, right? My community has been growing. If you guys do not know, I have a community of investors, traders, and entrepreneurs where we all pretty much come together, make income in multiple different ways. And I got a lot of newer people that just joined the community, and I made one of these videos, but it's a little outdated. So I want to put this one together to make it more updated and more straight to the point and informative. I also want to let you guys know that I have started a brand new channel. Now, this channel is a trading channel where I will literally just be going over trading information and educating you guys and giving you guys trading and investing value. So what I want you guys to do is go to the description box below, subscribe to that channel, because this video probably will also end up on that channel as well. But let's go ahead and get into the video. So within today's video, I want to show you guys how to take a trade. Now, I actually have an app, right, that is only available to those within my community. And we actually get trade ideas sent out through this app all times throughout the day, different days throughout the week, to be able to help that individual who's a busy trader or somebody who's probably doesn't even consider themselves a trader at all. You work a job, you're a mom, whatever the case may be, and you feel like you don't have a lot of time. This is something that can help you start to actually practice taking trades in a demo account, and also even take trades in a live account to be able to actually earn money while you're still trying to figure it all out. So I woke up this morning, and within just this morning getting started, it's 9 o'clock in the morning, we already got 2 trade ideas sent out. And so these 2 different trade ideas are 2 different trades, meaning that we're trading different currencies, and also they're 2 different trade types. Okay, I want to talk to you guys about the 2 different trade types very quickly. One of them is a market execution. A market execution is when you're actually entering the trade right away. Like, it's like, okay, buy now, I'm in, and I'm either up in profit or I'm seeing a little bit of negative right now. Or a pending order. A pending order is when the trade is not yet ready and you're waiting for the market to come back to a specific area to then enter you in the trade on its own. So you could just say, okay, it's 70, like let's just use a thermostat for example. It's 75 degrees in here, right? Activate when it gets to 73 degrees. So if it's up here, we needed to come back down here, put us in, and then we're smooth selling in whichever direction. So what I want to do is, right, show you guys very quickly, right? This is an app called the Blaze app. Again, it's only available if you're actually within my community and have the resources that we have privately within our group, right? But GBP USD, and down below is actually everything that you need to go ahead and enter the trade, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to walk you guys through it step by step. All right. So we're going to go ahead and start screen recording now. 3, 2, 1, boom. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to go ahead and enter. I'm going to copy and paste these 2 different trade ideas so I can show you guys how to take it. So this one is Euro USD. I already have the first one, which is a pending order. All right, we got GBP USD. This was the first trade that was called out. And then we have a Euro USD. So I'm just updating what the app sent out so that you guys could see it. I don't know. And so if you guys see, it says order type bearish, right? So this is probably, and then you also get the educator's trade too. Like he'll tell you, you know, what he's looking at. You'll see the chart. You'll already understand why we're buying, why we're selling, and they might also leave comments. But we're not going to focus on that just right now. Okay, so the entry, and then we have our invalidation level, which is our stop loss. We'll paste that. We have our target 1, which is exit 1. Exit 1 means when the market actually reaches this point, you should be in profit, and it's going to go ahead and pull you out with your profit once it reaches that specific number. So we have 3 targets on this one, and on the other one we only had 2. So I'm going to show you guys how to take one look, and they're still sending more trades. I love this app. I'm not going to lie to you guys. You know, some people, they like, oh, well, I don't have the time. I can't find the best setup in the market. We'll even take this buy example to show you guys. So EUR AUD. I'm going to show you guys how to take each one. I'm only going to take one of each though. So there's our entry, paste. We're going to get our stop loss. Invalidation level is also known as stop loss. And then we're going to get our targets. Target 1, there's only 2 targets for this one. Target 1 and target 2. So this is a method that I truly call a copy paste profit, because all you really got to do is copy and paste the numbers, right? It's very simple. So we got 3 trades right here. We got GBP USD, which is the Great British Pound versus the US dollar. We have EUR USD, which is the European dollar versus the US dollar. And we have Euro AUD, EUR AUD, which is the European dollar versus the US dollar. And so both of these are telling us to sell, which means that the market is going to go down. The last one is telling us to buy, meaning that this specific market is going to go up. So what we want to do from this point forward, we want to go ahead and log into our broker account, right? If you need to learn how to set up your broker account, there should be an eye that pops up here that will show you guys how to actually set up your broker account. So first and foremost, when you open it, as you guys can see, you have right here, which are where your currencies are. You have right here, which are your time frames. You could change it. And then you have this button right here to enter the trade on whichever market you're looking at right now. So first step is actually typing in the specific market. We're looking for GBP USD, which is the Great British Pound and the US dollar. So you just type in GBP USD. Once you click on it, your chart is going to update to GBP USD. Next step is making sure that we are in zone for our entry. So they're telling you to get in between this number and this number right here. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. It's like they're trying to count. So going back, 1, 2, 3, 3. So this is why we're doing a sell limit, right? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let me show you guys. It's somewhere up here, right? This is where the market currently is right now. 1, 2, 3, 3. We needed to go up to 1, 2, 3, 5. So a sell limit is going to put us in the market up here, and then we'll make money from the market coming down if it does come back. But if it does not come back, it's an invalid trade, and we won't end up losing or risking any money. You'll just close out and say, okay, it missed me. It's like missing the bus. I'm going to catch the next one, right? So what we're going to go ahead and do, we're going to click on that button right there. Some of you guys may have the simple version that looks like this, but I will always click the settings and make sure you have the full version so that you then could choose what you want to set your targets based off of: price, pips, whatever the case may be. I always do price, okay? And then right here, we already know that we're selling, right? Because the message in our group chat, the app sent out the sale. So instead of clicking buy, we're going to click sell. And also, this is a sell limit, right? So with this being a sell limit, we're going to go ahead and change this from market to limit. And now it's going to tell us to enter our entry price, right? And so you can simply just take the first number, copy that first number, right? Click on your entry price and paste it there. After our entry price, we have the ability to type in how much we want to put into this trade, okay? And I'm going to teach you guys a quick, simple method, right? But we're going to come back to that. Then we have our stop loss, which was also called invalidation level. So SL is an abbreviation for stop loss. So we type and paste that right there. And then last but not least, we have our TP, which is our take profit. Like I said, we're only going to take one just for demonstration purposes. And that's where you would type that. So with this being said, you guys, now at the bottom of the screen, you can actually see if this market goes back in the opposite direction from putting us in and it hits our stop loss, this is what we will lose. If the market hits our target, this is what we will make. So this first trade is a 1-to-1, meaning I risk $5, I could make $5. I risk $40, I could make $40. You're in profit a little bit on the change, but it's a 1-to-1, right? When you take the second trade, you simply click place after your first trade. Then you go back in and you take it again. You use the same entry, you use the same stop loss, but now you're going to use take profit number 2 because this is a further target that can help you make more money. But let's go ahead and go over something very briefly. Your account balance. When I trade, I risk about 3 to 5% a day, right? And I only look to take a couple of trades. So each trade that you take, you can risk 1 to 2% of your account until you reach a total of 3 to 5%. So what I'll do is, let's just do 2%, 3%, right? So 2,295. I'm gonna go to my calculator, 2,295, and I'm gonna multiply that by 3%. That's $68, right? So if I'm gonna take this trade twice, meaning I got in for target number 1 and I got in for target number 2, I'm gonna just divide this number by 2. And now I know I could risk about $34 in each trade. So I then will go to my trading volume and I will subtract that number until I get at least at 34 or below 34, right below 34. So now I'm at 32. I go ahead and click place. Now I'm in the trade. We probably missed it, but if it does pull back to this yellow line and then drops back down, we'll be in profit. But I probably just got in a little bit late. My team is probably already in right now, right? But I just want to show you guys that example. So that's how you set a limit. So now we're just going to do EU or AUD because it's most recent. I don't want to walk you guys through taking something that's a little older, right? But this is how the chart looks. We're going to click on this button right here, the logo. And what we're going to do is we're going to start at the top. EUR/AUD, we're buying now, right? So instead of sell, we're going to click buy. Now we're also doing, let's see where the entry is, because this will tell us whether you need to do a pending order or get in right away, right? 165956. Right now we're at 166. So we're in a good time. 1659. Yeah, we're right there. Yeah, it's not too far off. So now we're going to change this from a limit to a market, okay? And then we're going to take our stop loss. We're going to copy that. And then we're going to paste that here. And then we're going to get our take profit. We're going to copy this first one. And we're going to paste this here. Paste. Right? Okay, that's a bad take profit, because I think I'm late. I didn't realize what was wrong with my counter. All right, let's paste that. Okay, so risking 19 to be able to make 26, but I know I could do up to $34 so that I stay within that 3%, and I just simply click buy. And now we are in the trade. And now, as the market goes down, we'll be in the negative. As the market goes up and get closer to this green line, we'll go into profit. And once this thing, let's say the market goes up so high that we are right here and we're up $20, we're right here and we're up 30, or we're close to hitting our target right here, you can then go into the app and you can drag and modify your risk. You see how that negative number is getting bigger and smaller? You can drag it and, minimize what you're risking. Even when you're in profit, you could say, okay, I'm up $50 right now, but I want to put my stop loss at 22 because I don't want to lose anything more than the $22 profit. And this is exactly how you actually take a trade. So I'm just going to dismiss that so it goes back to normal. But if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out, hit the comment section below. If you guys are someone that's looking to learn how to get into trading, you're looking for the right resources, the right community, also go to the description box below and you guys will have all of my contact information and any other resources that you can use to know how to actually get started within my community. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. And again, if you haven't already, go subscribe to my trading channel 773 Josh Trades, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Let's get it. Nowadays all of my enemies want to be friends.